darkest skies get.
Alright, y'all. December 1st, 2024. First day weigh-in.
$155.5, basically 156.
Okay, so basically 156. 156, and this is what 156 looks like on somebody that is 5'2". 156. This is what it looks like on a 5'2" person. Alright, so today marks the first day. I already did workout on the treadmill. I went live and did that. Well, the walk. So let's get it. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, oh, what's this camera doing? As y'all can see, I am 156 pounds. Today is December 1st, 2024. I'm a little behind schedule, okay? This is the first day, alright? So I already did the workout like I told y'all, which today was only walking the hour on the treadmill. And I had got a little late start on that. So yeah, it was just under an hour that I did. If y'all was in that live screen, I walked 1.5 miles. So yeah, so I just came from outside. I didn't film because I was kind of like moving, trying to get stuff done. I didn't pick up eggs yesterday, so I picked them up today. I got 12 eggs, okay? 12 nice size eggs. And then one of the zippers on my cover for my greenhouse is not zipping, so I had to kind of like put some plastic up on part of it just to keep that wind, so much wind and stuff out of that greenhouse. I closed down my other greenhouse. I had to water everything. I messed around and didn't get my frost bags for my trees, so I ended up improvising. I have another greenhouse that I put over 2 of the citrus trees, and then I just wrapped it in plastic. I'll go out there and show y'all that in a few minutes. But now it's like past due time for me to, tomorrow I'll do better. God said the same, I'll do better. It's past due time for me to have eaten again. Like I say, this is not a diet. This is just lifestyle change, okay? So you know, you're gonna see my progress with everything that I eat and my day-to-day things that I do. So yeah, I am literally feeling it from that walking, okay? I'm literally feeling it, but pain is weakness leaving the body. So I would take that. I would take that, especially when it's like something, you know, you're working out or whatnot, that type of pain, okay? So yeah, that's where I'm at as of right now. Okay, I forgot that I did not water my green onions. So let me do that. And I did not water my my pomegranate that's up here. So not pomegranate. I keep saying pomegranate. My tangerine. So I need to water her because I did not do that. Give her a good watering. I don't know if I showed y'all I moved her to the top. I think I did. I moved her up here to the top. Give her a good watering. Alright, y'all. So I just covered this citrus in some plastic. And I put my other one, my greenhouse thing, over those two. I watered everything really good. I did pull the plastic off this door, just this part, because when I walked in there today, it was strong. I said, okay, it needs more ventilation, so I just got this open because my chickens are cold weather. They're out of the wetness and dampness, and if they go to the back, especially with me putting that heat lamp, I'm gonna put a heat lamp in there. If they go to the back, they will be fine. They know how to, you know, get their temperature to where it needs, so they'll be fine. But I had to take this out because it wasn't much ventilation in there. It was yeah, it was kind of strong. Okay, so I need to get a brick or something to put right here, because I don't like that gap right there. And one of them little ones may be able to get out. So I'm gonna get a brick or something. Let's see, a brick or something. Oh, here go a brick right here. I close that greenhouse down, and this right here, it won't zip. So for the time being, this is what I did. I just put some plastic there to kind of shield that side of it. It won't zip. The zip is off track, so it look like I'm gonna be trying to get another cover. But yeah, these are just, because it's cold, it's just some small little things that you have to do on the homestead. You know, I had to get the divine treasure together, because I had to water her. You gotta water, even though it's you water less, but you still got to water, because that cold will dry things out too. And a lot of people don't know that the cold, they think, oh, it's not hot. It will say the cold will dry stuff out. Okay, so I got that there, and they are all fine and cozy and all that good stuff. So that is done. All right, y'all, so I ended up putting this back up here, but not clamping the bottom. Okay, the bottom, we'll be able to raise it up so it can ventilate during the day. They can get ventilation during the day. They can get air during the day, so it'll be good ventilation during the day is what I'm trying to say. But we did just put their heat lamp up. So, and I did change out this thing that actually has a cover, because I don't want them getting burned or nothing like that. But this right here is what's really hot. The heat come from it. So I went and bought another one today. I had one, it got a shortage, so I went and bought this one today. That has the guard or whatnot, and I like the one that's got the switch on the cord rather than here. They got two types of the big ones like that. I get the one with the switch on the cord, and this provides heat for them. So that's why I went on and put this covering back. Get from there. Look at it. Get from there. And today I collected, well, I didn't collect eggs yesterday, so I collected today 12 eggs, and then came back out here to put this up, and 3 more. So 15 eggs in 2 days so far. So yes. So they are laying. We had to redo their water because they had kicked all that stuff up. I forgot. It was a rookie mistake, because I forgot to put it on the stones. So we had to redo their water earlier, but we got it on the stones now, and so far so good. So yeah, so they're good to go. We'll close it, put this down at night, just this front, so to keep heat in when it's at its coldest, and they'll be good. They all closed it, and then during the day we'll come out and just raise it up. So that's why I put it back, so we could raise it up, this plastic, so we can raise it up and they can keep ventilation, you know. So yeah, so they're all closed in. Now it is finally completed. It is finally completed for the winter months for them. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this brick right here. Okay, right here, and keep anybody from them small ones from trying to, you know. So yeah. All right, y'all, so I stopped by the store, picked up some grapes, red and green grapes, little container. Picked up some what is that, pomegranate. Got some cranberry sauce because I needed some more cranberry sauce. Yes, I do love the jellied cranberry sauce, so I will eat that. Got some old unsweetened almond milk and some Planet oat milk. All right, y'all, so not much going on in this vlog, because it was day one of me adding the workout and stuff. Like I said, today was just the walk, the hour walk. Okay, so tomorrow it's gonna be upper body. All right, so make sure you don't miss tomorrow's vlog. But yeah, I was tired because, you know, when you start incorporating workout to your body, get adjusted to it or whatnot, any type of workout, it takes your energy. And I did not eat as much as I should have today with working out because I just wasn't hungry. And that's the way I normally do. Like my first a day or two of starting back to work out, I be tired and don't be like wanting to eat much, but you gotta eat. So it'll be better. It'll be better tomorrow. And then everybody in the house is kind of congested a little bit because this weather has changed so drastically. And then I've been out there in the cold, winterizing that chicken coop and all that. So we done caught a little bit of a cold, but that's good because, you know, working out and make sure you're having your vitamin C and all that type of stuff. That will help. So, yeah. So, not much going on. I hope y'all still enjoyed it. Be ready for the exercises tomorrow because it's upper body. And I will be doing it in the vlog along with 20-minute treadmill live screen. My treadmill is live. Okay. I would do live screens for treadmill just to try to get people up and walking. Okay. So yeah, so be expecting that tomorrow. And then of course the rest that goes on with the vlog, my prep and my gardening, all that stuff is still being my vlogs, but they will be daily vlogs. You get to see more of what I do daily, full daily vlogs. Okay, so make sure y'all subscribe. If y'all ain't subscribed, hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Mwah. Bye.